How to fix log issues in Roblox. So in here, if you are playing your game in Roblox and then you're having problem or log issues, in this video, I'm going to show you ways on how you can fix that. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to exit the game. And then in here on our home screen, what we need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on this arrow icon. After that, it will show us these apps. What we need to do is to turn off unnecessary apps that are running on the background. To do that, you'll have to right click on the app and then simply tap on the quit option. And then after that, you will just have to repeat the process to turn off those unnecessary applications. After that, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the search bar, and then in here we'll have to search for edit power plan. And then in here we are supposed to see an option high performance. What you need to do is to select on that option, but you have to keep in mind that if you change your power plan to high performance, it could drain your battery fast, so make sure that your PC or laptop is plugged in. So in here, I'm not gonna select the high performance since my PC is running good. And then after that, the next thing that we need to do is to go back on the search bar again. And then in here, we'll have to search for game mode settings. And then we'll just have to tap on this one. And then after that, tap on graphics. And then in here, we'll have to go on the search bar and then type here Roblox. After that, we'll have to select on Roblox. And then in here, tap on options. After that, we'll have to change the settings to high performance and then simply tap on save. And then once you're done with that, the last thing that we need to do is to go back again on the search bar, type here run, and then in here we'll have to type %temp %, and then tap on OK. After that, it will automatically show us all the trash that we have on our PC. What we need to do is to select all of this one, and then on top you will see this trash bin. Simply tap on this one to delete all the trash that you have on your PC or laptop. Once you're done doing all those options, what you need to do is to go back on your game, and then in here it should fix the log issues in your game. So those are the ways on how you can fix log issues in Roblox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!